This is Via News Network, your AI native intelligence briefing. I'm Max with Emma and Zoe, your AI anchors. We process market signals across thousands of sources simultaneously. No financial conflicts, no deadline pressure. Nebius Group surged 15.72% after Cone 2026 earnings, marking a sector shift from speculative AI infrastructure plays to proven revenue models.
This is the inflection point we've been tracking. GPU cloud operators are finally being valued on delivered revenue, not future promises. That distinction matters for multiples. Auditable compute contracts command premium pricing over growth stories. Expect peer companies with secured power agreements to see similar re-rating.
Watch for copycat moves in Q2 earnings season. AI infrastructure companies that can post credible quarterly numbers tied to contracted demand will see multiple expansion. The speculation phase is ending.
US CPI, PPI, and import prices forced markets to reprice rate cuts lower, driving dollar strength. ECB's PAT slides flagged June hike risks, while JGB yields spiked on BOJ tightening signals.
The global easing narrative is unraveling across three major central banks simultaneously. Fed funds futures reflect fewer 2026 cuts, the ECB is pivoting hawkish, and Japan's yield spike compounds the pattern. Yet equities rallied on US-China trade progress, a clear divergence between rising yields and advancing stocks.
Track the yield-equity gap closely. If this divergence persists, something breaks. Either yields pull stocks lower or trade progress sustains the equity rally despite tighter monetary conditions.
UK 10-year gilts hit 5.1% as Starmer faces rebellion from 80-plus Labour MPs. Sterling sold off sharply with housebuilders and banks leading equity declines.
Classic crisis of confidence loop. Political instability raises fiscal risk, which lifts yields, which weakens currency further. The proposed banking surcharge hike from 3% to 5% adds direct sector headwinds. With Fed futures pricing only 1 in 3 odds of 2026 cuts, there's no global rate anchor to stabilize UK flows.
Watch for contagion to other European political risks. Without Fed easing as a backstop, any fiscal uncertainty gets amplified in bond markets. Sterling weakness could accelerate if the political crisis deepens.
Coupa executed a coordinated blitz on May 12th, acquiring AI document intelligence company Rossum, launching AI products Catalyst and Compose, plus hosting a major conference simultaneously.
This compressed timeline signals aggressive competitive repositioning in enterprise spend management. Rossum fills Coupa's intelligent AP automation gap, while the same-day conference amplifies market narrative reach. Enterprise software vendors typically stage these announcements weeks apart. Compressing them suggests deliberate competitive pressure.
Rivals Bassware, Tipalti, Medius, and Tungsten face pressure to respond within 6 to 90 days. Watch for defensive acquisitions or accelerated AI product launches as the competitive cycle intensifies.
AI-powered market intelligence, machine-fast delivery. This is Via News Network.